welcome to my channel. Good morning, guys. We're on the road again. Yes, this girl's with the same red top. Had to go ahead and bring my son to work again. Now he needs to get dropped off at home, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up from work, and when I get there we'll turn off the camera because he's a very shy person. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ranalynn Naipo. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, because if not, even though you subscribe but you don't turn on the bell, you'll never get a notification on when this girl is doing another video. So I thought I was gonna go to CVS, but I thought this girl's been doing just way too much shopping, so we're gonna skip CVS. It's another overcast and nasty day. I think in one of my other car vlogs you went ahead and saw me with this turtleneck. If I can remember where I got it from, I'm trying to remember. I want to say Amazon, but I'm able to go ahead and have a drawstring in the front, so if I want to go ahead and make it shorter or longer, I can do that. But if I decide I want to take this to the mainland, I can always go ahead and put that over my face. There's a hoodie, I can always go ahead and put that over my head if it's windy and nasty. It's been kind of raining all week, which means we're going to be getting some snow on the mountain. But I thought I'd go ahead and wear this red hoodie. I think you saw that in one of my other car vlogs. If you didn't go ahead and see the other one, I was just yapping away about my Christmas tree. I'm going to be leaving that down in the description bar. You're probably busy with the kids or busy with the holidays. But, yeah, I mean, it's overcast. It does get overcast. I know a lot of people, when I say that it's overcast, it's raining, they're like, what? And I'm like, yeah. Why do you think everything is so luscious and green over here in Hawaii? Because it's always raining. It's kind of a little chilly. I still have my air conditioning on low because this girl, you know, we won't even get into the menopause issue, but I love when the weather gets a little colder because I'm not having hot flushes. That's the reason why I love to car vlog in the car, because this girl's not going to overheat from the hot flashes, whatever you want to go ahead and call it. But yes, we have the long sleeves. This one also has thumb holes. If I want to go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and do so like that and just show my fingers and stay warm. But other than that, I think it's like, ooh, what's the temperature outside? Let me go ahead and look at my dash. Ooh, last night it was a chilly, I know, here we go, she's bragging again. It was a chilly 68. Well, yeah, but it was also kind of windy. So the windier it is, the less fans this girl needs to go ahead and use when she's sleeping, because this girl's got to sleep with fans, because if not, the hot flushes. And, you know, for those of you who are going through pre-menopause or menopause and just having hot flush issues and everything, yeah, you know what I mean. So, yeah, I normally go ahead and sleep with a fan, but last night I didn't have to worry about sleeping with my fan, so I was like thrilled. Opened up every single window, because we do not have central air. Well, my house doesn't have central air because the price of fuel in Hawaii is like through the roof. For those of you who do live in Hawaii, you'll probably go, yes, it's through the roof, unless you have solar panels on your home. But in order to get solar panels on your home, you need to go ahead and put those solar panels on, which normally run between 60 to 80,000, depending on how many solar panels you end up needing. So that's going to be another thing. Also, what else? I wanted to tell you folks something. Ooh. I need to go ahead and pick up my son and take him home. So I'm almost at the destination on where I'm supposed to get him. So I didn't want to go ahead and yap like a little parakeet for a very long time, because if not, this video is probably going to be like 20 minutes long, and we already have long videos on my channel. Plus, go ahead and let me know whether you like short videos or long videos. And I always end up saying that, but I know, you know, by the time Jim helps me go ahead and edit, he'll look at it and go, girl, you've been talking like a little parakeet for like 35 minutes. You need for me to go ahead and edit this down to like 12 minutes. It's like, it's going to take me 2 hours to go ahead and do that. So, because I think it's a little easier for him to go ahead and edit out a car vlog. Plus, you know, this girl, I just talk off the cuff. Talk about anything that makes everybody happy. I hope everyone out there is having a happy and fabulous day, even though it's rainy and nasty, and this girl's with long sleeves. I'm having a fabulous day. Gonna go home and film a few videos. The kids are not home. Jimmersoft Island, so maybe I can squeeze in a few more videos for you guys. So I'm not sure when I'm going to be uploading this video, but I want everybody to go out there and have a fabulous and wonderful day. Hopefully you won't be seeing me with this little cardigan, but you know, it's the holidays, gotta wear a little bit of red. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I always end up saying the same thing. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking on that subscribe button, girlfriends. If you need to, click on that notification bell, because if not, even though you're subscribed and the bell is not on, you're never going to get a notification on when I'm uploading videos to my YouTube channel. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up, darling. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ranalynn Naipo. Aloha, guys. Bye-bye. See you in the next car vlog.